Ubuyele kukhomishana kaMadlanga oyinhloko yomnyango wakwandaba zabantu kumasipala waseKuruleni uLinda Xasheka. Namhlanje ubuzwe ngethenda elanikezwa uTsakane Baloyi nongunkosikazi kasomabhizinisi uVusumuzi Kate Matlala.
Ikhomishana izwe ukuthi ziningi izinto ezabe zisolisa ngesikhathi unkosikazi kasomabhizinisi uVusumuzi Kate Matlala uTsakane Baloyi enikezwa ithenda. Kanti-ke ihhovisi lakwandaba zabantu alizange liqaphele lokhu. Kwezinye zezinto ezabe zisolisa ukuthi uBaloyi wabhaliswa njengomqondisi wenkampani eyathola ithenda esikhathini esiyinyanga nje ithenda likhishiwe.
I want to put to you ought to be something of a red flag if one is adjudicating tenders. If one sees that the only director becomes a director after your bid advertisement date and very close to submission date, that should raise some suspicions. Would you accept that? You're nodding.
I agree.
Uxasheka uvumile ukuthi kuningi okwabe kusolisa esicelweni esafakwa uBaloyi saleli thenda, kodwa-ke akamazi kungenzeka ukuthi abengamele ezemali eKuruleni bangachaza kangcono.
I've never seen this lady in my life. The only time I saw her, it was on TV when this whole thing started. If she goes in a mall, I go in a mall, we'll probably pass each other. I don't know her. I've never seen her. If what happened here, the perception is she was done favors, it will have to be taken with finance. I'm not involved in these processes.
Uxasheka uphothulile ubufakazi bakhe namhlanje. Ikhomishana kulindeleke ukuthi ibuye ngomsombuluko nomunye ufakazi.